Pepper chicken gravy curry. It's a tasty and spicy chicken recipe. You can serve it along with white rice, porotta, chapathi, fried rice. Let's move to the video. In a pan, take 1.5 teaspoon coriander seeds, 2 teaspoon peppercorns, half teaspoon fennel seeds, half teaspoon cumin seeds, 4 cloves, 1 cardamom, 2 small cinnamon sticks. Roast for 2 minutes on low flame. After cooling, transfer it into a grinder. Grind it into a powder. In a pan, take 3 tablespoon oil and heat it. Add 2 chopped onion, 6 to 7 curry leaves. Saute it for 2 to 3 minutes. Add half teaspoon red chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. Mix it well and cook for 1 minute. Now add 1 chopped tomato, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Saute it for 3 to 4 minutes.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
Add 2 tablespoon curd and 1.5 teaspoon pepper powder. Mix it well. Cook for a minute. Now add the chicken pieces. Also add 1 teaspoon salt. Cook for a minute and mix it well. We have taken 500 grams chicken with bones. Add half cup of water. Close the lid and cook for 15 minutes on low flame. After 15 minutes, now add the ground powder and mix it well. Again, close the lid and cook for 10 minutes on low flame. Finally, add 1 sprig of curry leaves and mix well for 1 minute. Switch off the flame. Our tasty spicy pepper chicken gravy curry is ready. It's very tasty chicken recipe.
Before skipping, please consider subscribing to my channel. Click here to watch the most recent video. I hope you will really like it. Click on top for non-vegetarian recipes or click below for vegetarian recipes. For all other interesting videos like snacks, South Indian recipes, North Indian recipes, desserts, drinks, please check the description box below.